Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford F150 bed liner. First, gather your tools. You'll need a socket wrench, a screwdriver, and a pry tool. Make sure your truck bed is completely empty and clean. Safety is important, so put on some gloves and eye protection before you begin. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe removal process for your bed liner. Next, you'll need to detach the fasteners holding the bed liner in place. Carefully locate all the screws or bolts. Use the appropriate socket size for each bolt to avoid stripping. Don't forget to check along the bed rails and in the corners, as some fasteners might be less obvious. Taking your time here prevents damage to both the liner and your truck. Once all the fasteners are removed, it's time to loosen and lift the bed liner. Start by gently prying up the edges of the liner. Work your way around the entire perimeter, applying even pressure to avoid cracking the plastic. If the liner is large or heavy, consider asking a friend for help. Lifting it carefully prevents any scratches to your truck's paint. After successfully removing the bed liner, take a moment for a final inspection. Check the truck bed for any accumulated dirt, debris, or potential damage that was hidden. Give the entire bed a thorough cleaning. You might also consider applying a protective coating to the now exposed truck bed. This helps maintain its condition and appearance for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.